Here are the directions for completing your World's Fair Country landmark info sheet. As you can see, there are 5 steps at the top that you need to complete in order to do this assignment. Step 1 is to go to Google and search things to do in whatever your World's Fair country is. For this example, I'm going to do the United States. When you Google this, a list will come up of things to do in whatever your country is. This usually is talking about various landmarks. So, for example, we have the Grand Canyon, the Statue of Liberty, Yellowstone National Park, Disneyland. These are all things that can be considered landmarks for your country. So once you've picked one, if you go back, you are going to pick a landmark. Then you're going to research your landmark using various sources. I'm going to pick the Statue of Liberty. I'm going to start my research by clicking on the Statue of Liberty tab under what I searched. Right here you get some basic information, its address, when it was constructed, all that kind of stuff. You can also, for most of these places that you're going to find, go to the actual website of the monument or the landmark, and you can get plenty of information here. You can also just do a quick search. And plenty of websites will come up that will give you information about your landmark. Once you've done research on your landmark, you can go and complete the paragraph below. This paragraph is similar to many assignments we've done so far. You're going to replace all of the bold words within parentheses with your own information. So for example, where it says this is and then name of landmark, I'm going to completely replace that, including the parentheses, with the Statue of Liberty. Notice that I have the correct words capitalized and that this phrase has stayed bold so it stands out. I'm now going to put in the name of the city in which it's located. The name of the country that you are doing. For this example, again, I'm using the United States. Then for the next part, you're going to select what kind of landmark yours is. Now, you don't have to pick only one. You can actually pick all 3 if it applies. For this one, I'm going to pick a national and historical because it is both of those. To do this, I'm going to delete all of these extra words. I'm going to delete these parentheses, the word natural, since I'm not including that one. I'm going to delete this hyphen here. And as the way I have it now, it's good to go. Once you've put in the name of your landmark again, you're going to have to tell the relative location of your landmark in your country. Essentially what you need to do for that is you need to tell where in your country it is, north, south, east, or west. For this example here, I'm going to write the Statue of Liberty is on the east coast of the United States. For the last part of this paragraph, you need to explain why your landmark is a landmark, and you need to explain your own opinion of the landmark with your reasoning. I'm going to paste my answers in for this now. Please read them so you understand what I expect. The last step is to place a picture of your landmark below your paragraph. To do this, very simply, go to Google, search whatever your landmark is, go to the Images tab, and take one of the pictures and place it in there. Again, just like your thematic map, make sure that this image is big enough so that when you print it out, it's not fuzzy and it fills up most of the page. Once you are done, you should have all of your sentences filled in and a picture of your landmark on your page. We will format this in a later video.